This is John Polra. I'm coming to you from Tokyo, Japan. This article is called Meghan Markle Launches Bid to Delay High Court Case Judge Drafted in Tomorrow. And not only that, she wants to try to get it judged by summary, meaning she won't have to go to court and they'll just award her the win. But she's not doing so good because they've won two little battles against her anyway, so I'm not sure why she thinks she should just win it out of court. Let's take a look. Mr. Justice Warby will hear the arguments tomorrow. The application will be considered at an online hearing, the first part of which will be in private according to a court document seen by PA. Another aspect of Meghan's legal case, cost and case management, was due to be discussed tomorrow by Judge Francesca Kay. However, this hearing has now been replaced by the new application filed by the Duchess. Speaking about the application, the expert added, Meghan's legal team is now applying for a summary judgment which would make the whole trial in January unnecessary. They say it's because they are so confident of their case in law and will argue tomorrow that the case should be determined on a summary basis. And like I've been saying, like some people have been saying, some quote-unquote experts, whatever that means, but I suppose people in the business, saying that the Streisand effect will hit Meghan Markle, which is if she goes into court, she's going to be under oath, and she's going to probably say things unrelated to the case that are going to be negative for her, that she'll have to stay under oath, and it's not a good thing. So maybe she did hear that, and she wants to try to get it, won without going to court. But the problem is, she's not doing so good on her side with the evidence and her case. It seems like, in this case, the male actually is a strong case. With a summary judgment, the Duchess would not be required to give evidence at a trial in person. Meghan is suing Associated Newspapers, publisher of the Daily Mail, Mail on Sunday, and Mail Online over the publication in February 2019 of extracts of a private letter she had sent to her estranged father in August 2018. This request comes after Associated Newspapers lawyers asked and won the right to include the Finding Freedom biography in their client's defense. This victory on the publisher's side has created more work for Meghan's lawyers. ITV's royal editor Chris Shipp has noted on Twitter as he gave a reason for the delay request. Mr. Shipp added the Duchess's lawyers have applied for a summary judgment. I think this is going to be one of those things where it's just not going to work out and she's going to have to go to court because, like I said, the Mail, whatever you want to think of them, I know some people think they're a little trashy, but I'm just trying to think about who can win this thing. I don't really have a clear side here. I don't particularly like the Mail. I don't like Meghan Markle so much, so I'm just sitting back here with the popcorn and we'll see what happens. But I think my prediction, we'll find out soon enough, this won't work and she's going to have to go to court. She could let it go. She could just let the whole thing go. She's been advised to say, let's just drop the case. But she can't. She won't. Maybe she's just being stubborn. I'm not sure why it is. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think down below. Wanted to throw up a quick Meghan Markle video. Been a lot of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp news for some reason. That news seems to go in waves. Once in a while it goes down, then it shoots back up. And obviously, with Johnny Depp verdict coming out, we'll probably have some more news. But I'm following this too, and waiting to see what happens in January. If you're not subscribed here, consider it. Doing shoutouts, special thanks, things like that. If you subscribe, I'll be pretty happy. If you don't subscribe, I'll be pretty sad. But I'll get over it. See you next time.